Alright guys, this is a paper slide video about making paper slide videos. And it's made by me, Mr. Cancelleri. So, paper slide videos, what are they? Well, essentially a paper slide video is a video that's made up of slides that are made out of paper, instead of, say, PowerPoint or something like that. Okay, so that's what a paper slide video is. As you can tell, it's narrated by a person, so use your voice, use your hands if you need to, and use the paper. Why should we use paper slide videos? I mean, why not just use PowerPoint, right? Well, number one, paper slide videos are fast. They don't take very long, okay? All you do is work on them for a few minutes, write your slides, prepare your slides, practice a few times, and then boom, film it, you're done. Second, because they're easy to make. All you need is some paper and a camera, like this flip camera here. Okay, you can also use a camera phone, you can use an iPad, really easy to do. Okay, the other reason why paper slide videos are so awesome to do is because they are easy to publish. When you're done with them, you just upload them to a service like YouTube, and you can publish them, show them to the whole world very, very easily. And when we publish things as teachers, we have to be careful about student privacy. But the thing about it is, at least according to Wake County Public Schools rules, if all you have is a student's voice and not their face or any other identifying information, you don't even need any special paperwork. Bada bing, bada boom. So how do we make a paper slide video? Well, it's actually pretty simple. There's only 3 steps. First, you have to plan it out. This is really important, okay? You guys have to plan out what your slides are going to look like. We'll give you a storyboarding form, but really any sort of gridded document that lets you look slide by slide and plan out what kinds of things are going to be on each one. After you've planned and storyboarded, you make your slides and then you practice them. Practice, practice, practice. Like a whole lot of practice. So that means you go through the slides, you practice what you're going to say, you think about how long it's going to take, and you do all of this without recording. And then, when you borrow the camera, or the iPad, or the camera phone, and you record, you do it in one shot, just like I'm doing here. No cuts, no breaks, no editing. You get the camera only for about 4 minutes, just long enough to hit the record button, do your slideshow, and then hit the record button again. That's it. So, here are some helpful tips for those of you doing paper slide videos for the first time. Okay? Helpful tips. Number 1, and this is important, be creative and be colorful. Okay, you want to engage the person who's looking. Some people will be watching this video and they're going to try and watch it on mute because maybe they don't have headphones, maybe they can't have the volume up. You want your slides to be engaging. But that said, you don't want to waste your time. So make sure that the things you're saying are important. If somebody can get everything they need to out of your video with it on mute, then they don't need you. You are pointless. Next, use your hands. The only part of your body that shows up on camera is your hands. Use hand gestures to show people what's going on. It gets people paying attention. Okay? So make sure you use your hands. Next, use props. I use things like that flip camera, that piece of paper, and that timer. All of those help the user, the person who's watching the video, to pay more attention and to think of it as being more 3D. This is one of the benefits of paper slide videos over normal PowerPoint presentations. And lastly, and this one's really important, speak slowly. Your normal voice that someone listens to when they're looking at you will not work on a paper slide video. You have to speak more slowly and more clearly so they can figure out what you're saying when they can't see your face. And then lastly, really I swear it's the last one, practice twice, record once. The key to a successful paper slide video is to practice, 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 practice doing the slideshow so that when you get the camera, you get it right the first time. Alright, that's it. Go out and make your paper slide video.